In today's video, I'm actually be showing you a brand new money-making application that is going to pay you to literally just install one app. So make sure you watch this video from the beginning to the end so you know exactly what you need to do in order to start making some money with your mobile device. So let's get started right away with today's money-making method. So I'm about to show you the money-making application that's going to pay you out to literally just install the app and letting it run in the background. It's a really simple and passive way to earn money, and if you're running a phone farming business, then you can start to earn money with this on every single device that you own and start to actually grow your income every month passively, guys. So I'm going to show you the math in a bit. So let's look at the application itself right now. So this is the app right here. I'm going to be leaving the link down below so you guys can get started. You're going to get a free $1 for signing up under the link down below in the description, guys. So get started right now. So you can see the application right here. It's on my mobile device. So look at this. Every week you're going to be getting one free dollar, and it might not seem a lot to you guys, but if you actually think about it, imagine having like 20 phones running every single week. You're going to be earning $1 from every phone. So we can easily do the math down here. So let's open up the calculator real quick to show you what is possible if you're running a phone farming business. So we're going to do 20 times let's say 1 week, or there's 4 weeks in a month, so let's do 20 times 4. You're going to be making almost $100 a month for just doing absolutely nothing. Or you can bring the scale down. I know 20 phones is a lot, but it's totally up to you guys. You can do the math on any amount of phones that you have. If you only have one phone, it is still a really decent application to run because you're not doing nothing at all but just having this run in the background. So if I actually exit out of my phone, it's still gonna have this little emblem or this little notification up here at the top of my phone, and it's still gonna be running, guys. So this is a brand new passive money making application that you can use right now, and I would recommend you guys getting started right now so you can actually start to earn your free dollar in the next couple of days. So if we go over here to cash out, I would go into my network, but that's going to show you where I'm at the moment. So you can get paid out in either PayPal or Amazon gift cards, and Amazon gift cards is coming soon, as you can see right there, but they are paying out in PayPal, and you can check out the messages, pretty much like notifications that they have sent to you. So it says, just a reminder, you'll be paid $1 for every 7 days that you reach 8 hours of uploads over the course of one day or of the day, plus $1 additional for every 28 days. So you're gonna get an additional $1 for every 28 days that you actually have this phone up and running. So that is a really interesting way to actually make money with just this phone itself. Now this is another application that is pretty much the same thing, guys. It is a well-known application at that. It is called Honey Gain. You can see I'm already up to $17.26 right there. So this is the same thing, guys. It runs in the background. You can see the notification at the top of my screen right there. So it has that little B symbol, and then the other one's right here. So they're both working together to earn me some passive income, along with my other money-making applications that I use at a daily basis passively. So this is a really interesting way to actually earn money with this Honey Gain and with this application right here. And once you have signed up, guys, it's going to ask you to fill out a survey. Fill out that survey so you can get your free dollar, and on top of that, so you can actually get started making money with this app. So this is just going to be a quick video showing you guys how to make money passively with a brand new money making application. So you can see that there's only 420 reviews on the Google Play Store right there, guys, and you can see down here it's almost at a 4-star rating, so that is not that bad at all. Look at the first comment, 100% legit, awesome app. You get $1 every 7 days for basically doing nothing. My own complaint is that you used to be able to cash out anytime, but they changed it to a minimum of $3 before you can cash out. I wish they would offer more surveys so you can make a little more money. So it says right here, thank you. They're even responding to the comments, to the reviews on their app, guys. So this is a pretty brand new application, only 10,000 plus installs, so that's not that bad at all. Get started right now. I will be leaving the link to this application down below if you are interested in getting started, and there is other money making applications just like this, like Honey Gain, and I'll be down below as well. So at the end of the day, guys, it's totally up to you if you want to start to make money with applications, or if you want to come over to my YouTube channel and check out my other videos on learning how to make money online with different apps like this one, or even right here, passive apps that pay, earn dividends right there every day. So you can check out my YouTube channel, go check out my other videos and see what is actually interesting to you. Let me know what is interesting to you. Let me know if you have any suggestions of how you want to make money online, guys. And until next time, peace.